In this video, we'll explore 4 unexpected juices that cleanse your body from the inside, improve your skin, and give you more energy than tea or coffee. These 4 juices are so effective for healing that anyone who tries them can feel a difference in their health and beauty. And the best part, we won't throw away the leftover pulp after making these juices. Instead, we'll turn it into a healthy and tasty snack that will boost your nutrition even more. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because here you'll get the benefits of both juice plus pulp recipes, double health benefits in just one video. Let's get started. Green juice, but not the kind you're thinking of. Are you one of those people who, the moment they hear green juice, imagine a bitter, nose-pinching, force-it-down kind of drink? Well, not today, because we're not making your average green juice. We're making something truly refreshing. I like to call it glorious green juice. Yes, this is a green juice that actually tastes delicious. No holding your nose required. With just 1 glass of this vibrant juice, you're giving your body a full dose of vitamins and minerals from multiple vegetables, all in one go. Let's take a look at what you need. 1 green apple for sweetness and fiber. 1 cucumber, hydrating and refreshing. 1 bunch of spinach, packed with iron and folate. A small piece of fresh ginger for that little zing and digestive boost. And a few fresh mint leaves to cool and balance the flavors. That's it. Just roughly chop everything so your blender can handle it easily. Now, this is a basic version, but you can totally make it your own by adding kale, other leafy greens, a bit of carrot, some fresh orange, or even coconut water for a tropical twist. The beauty of green juice is how easily you can adapt it to your taste and health goals. Swap apple for pineapple if you like it sweeter, or add celery and parsley for a stronger detox effect. It's your juice, your rules, and every sip is a step toward better health. This healthy green juice recipe uses just 5 ingredients and takes about 15 minutes to prepare. A quick tip: the 80-20 rule. When making any juice, try to follow the 80-20 principle. 80% vegetables and 20% fruits. Juices with more fruit are great for those who want to gain weight. But if you're aiming to lose or maintain your weight, then sticking to the 80-20 rule is best. Here's a quick tip for blending. Always add the cucumber and apple first. They're full of water and will help your blender run smoothly without needing extra liquid. Once those are in, toss in your spinach, ginger, and mint. Now blend everything until smooth. And once that's done, go ahead and strain the juice using a fine strainer or a nut milk bag if you have one. And don't throw away that leftover pulp. It's full of fiber and flavor. I made a simple green soup with it, but you can also use it in a stew, flatbread dough, or even add it to pancakes for a nutritious boost. Before serving, squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon juice. This one step instantly lifts the flavors and adds a touch of brightness. And there you go. Your glorious green juice is ready to enjoy. Vibrant, cooling, and energizing. You don't need a fancy juicer to enjoy this kind of freshness. This recipe is quick, easy, and takes just 15 minutes to prep. Personally, I've been drinking this green juice first thing in the morning for a few days now. And the difference? I feel more awake, more energetic, and I've even stopped reaching for my afternoon coffee. It's that effective. If you have a medical condition or are on medication, do check with your doctor before making green juice a regular part of your routine. Everyone's body is different, so listen to yours if you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rach-Cooking for more vibrant, healthy, and delicious ideas. In this video, you'll learn how to make a refreshing and nutritious ABC juice made from just 3 powerful ingredients: apple, beetroot, and carrot. This juice is naturally sweet, loaded with antioxidants and perfect for post-workout recovery, daily detox, or simply boosting your energy levels. And the best part, we'll also use the leftover juice pulp to make fiber-rich ice cubes, a brilliant way to cut waste and boost your drinks with extra nutrients. Let's start by gathering our fresh ingredients. 1 apple and hydration hero. Over 80% water and packed with fiber, apples keep you hydrated and aid digestion. 1 beetroot. The heart of our juice, beetroot, helps improve stamina and purifies the blood. 1 or 2 carrots, low in calories, high in goodness. Carrots support eye health or weight management. A small piece of ginger. Just a little zing ginger boosts immunity and soothes the gut. Now let's prep. First, peel and chop the carrots into small pieces. This root veggie is a nutritional powerhouse. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for sharp vision, glowing skin, and a strong immune system. Just 1 medium carrot can give you more than 200% of your daily vitamin A needs. Next, peel the beetroot and chop it too. Let's take a moment to appreciate this deep red beauty, the beetroot. Beetroot is one of the only vegetables that can turn your hands and chopping board in pink. Yep, that's because of a natural pigment called betalain, which also happens to be a powerful antioxidant. Beetroot was once used as a natural hair dye and even a lip stain in ancient times. Now chop the apple and remove the seeds. Bonus tip, keep the skin on. That's where most of the antioxidants and fiber live. Now that everything is prepped, it's time to blend. Add all the ingredients into a blender. For extra freshness, toss in a handful of mint leaves and a piece of ginger. Add about ½ cup of water to help it blend smoothly. Blend until everything turns into a rich, colorful juice. Now strain the juice using a fine sieve or cheesecloth. You'll notice a thick pulp left behind. Don't throw this away, we're going to use it soon. Squeeze in the juice of ½ a lemon to enhance the flavor and to help with nutrient absorption. And there you go. Your power-packed ABC juice is ready. This is an excellent post-workout drink. Whether it's after yoga, walking, or a home workout, this juice helps restore energy and replenish nutrients. It's also kid-friendly and loved by adults alike. Important tip: avoid adding salt or sugar. They strip away the natural nutrition. And for those with diabetes, please avoid this juice or consult your doctor before drinking. Now here's a mindful sipping tip. Don't gulp the whole glass down in one go. Instead, swish each sip in your mouth for 5 seconds. This allows it to mix with saliva, helping with smoother digestion. When we gulp it all at once, our body absorbs much less from it. Now let's use the leftover juice pulp to make nutritious ice cubes. The pulp is full of fiber and you can get creative with it. Turn it into veggie burgers, falafel, crackers, cookies, or in our case, ice cubes. Transfer beetroot pulp again in blender and add ½ cup water and blend it again. Transfer into ice tray. Press down gently to pack it and freeze for a few hours. These fiber cubes can be added to water smoothies or mocktails for an extra boost of nutrients. You can store the pulp in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 to 6 days before using it. My daughter prefers the strained version of the juice, smooth and easy to drink. So I strain it and save the pulp for later. So that's it. A delicious ABC juice made with just 4 ingredients and 0 waste, thanks to our clever ice cubes. Try this beetroot juice recipe and let me know how you liked it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs a natural energy boost today. 1 sip of royal gold juice, and you'll know why we call it royal gold juice. It's beauty, strength, and health, all in 1 glass. With the deep purple power of cabbage and the golden sweetness of pineapple, this juice is more than just a pretty color. It's a nutrient-packed elixir for your skin, digestion, and immune system. Purple cabbage is rich in antioxidants and gut-healing compounds, while pineapple brings in enzymes that boost metabolism and fight inflammation. Together, they create a vibrant detox juice that tastes as refreshing as it is energizing. And don't throw away that leftover juice pulp. We'll turn it into flavorful veggie patties, 0 waste, maximum nutrition. Let's get started on this glowing glass of royal gold. First up, the star of our juice, vibrant purple cabbage. Slice it into chunky pieces that fit your juicer or blender, and just look at that color. It's like nature's magic in every leaf. But this isn't just pretty. Purple cabbage is a powerhouse. This veggie is your best friend. Unlike green cabbage, purple cabbage has a slightly sweeter, peppery taste, perfect for balancing out pineapple's tropical tang. Next, we move on to the golden jewel of our juice, fresh, juicy pineapple. Slice it into chunks and get ready for a burst of tropical sweetness. When blended with purple cabbage, pineapple brings balance, mellowing the sharp flavor and creating a juice that's refreshing, healing, and energizing. This golden fruit truly earns its crown in our royal gold blend. Now that everything is prepped, it's time to blend. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Here's a quick tip for blending. Always add the pineapple first, and then cabbage. They're full of water and will help your blender run smoothly. A piece of ginger. Add about half a cup of water to help it blend smoothly. Blend until everything turns into a rich, colorful juice. And once that's done, go ahead and strain the juice using a fine strainer or a nut milk bag if you have one. And don't throw away that leftover pulp. It's full of fiber and flavor. We're going to use it soon. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon to enhance the flavor and to help with nutrient absorption. And there you go. Your power-packed royal gold juice is ready. This is an excellent post-workout drink. Whether it's after yoga, walking, or a home workout, this juice helps restore energy and replenish nutrients. It's also kid-friendly and loved by adults alike. Important tip: avoid adding salt or sugar. They strip away the natural nutrition. Now here's a mindful sipping tip. Don't gulp the whole glass down in one go. Instead, swish each sip in your mouth for 5 seconds. This allows it to mix with saliva, helping with smoother digestion. When we gulp it all at once, our body absorbs much less from it. Your refreshing royal gold juice is now ready to enjoy. Fresh, vibrant, and full of life. With just 2 ingredients, you've created a detox powerhouse that supports your gut, boosts your energy, and leaves your skin glowing. Drink it in the morning to kickstart your metabolism, or sip it midday for a clean, natural recharge. It's light, it's nourishing, and it's absolutely delicious. Now let's use the leftover juice pulp to make nutritious patties. Start by adding your leftover purple cabbage pulp to a food processor. Now load it up with flavor: boiled chickpeas, shredded cheese, oats, ginger, garlic, sautéed onions, and your favorite spices. Just a splash of oil, and blend it all into a thick, colorful mixture. Shape the mixture into patties, coat them in breadcrumbs for that golden crunch, and pan fry on a non-stick skillet until crisp on both sides. And there you have it: vibrant, protein-packed cabbage patties that are healthy, filling, and 0 waste. Serve them with chutney, inside a wrap, or enjoy as a snack. Try this juice for 5 days and feel the difference in your body, skin, and energy levels. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more vibrant, healing recipes your body will thank you. In this video, you'll learn how to make a refreshing and nutritious 5-star rated juice using just 4 powerful ingredients: apple, beetroot, carrot, and cucumber. This ABC juice is naturally sweet, packed with antioxidants, and the best part, we're also turning the leftover juice pulp into a creamy, flavorful hummus, a smart way to reduce waste and add more nutrients to your meals. Let's start by gathering our fresh ingredients. Made with real, whole food ingredients, this plant-based raw juice is prepared in a blender and ready in just 5 minutes. Let's start with the first ingredient, carrot. We're using 2 medium carrots washed, peeled, and chopped. They add a light, fresh flavor and pair really well with the beetroot in this recipe. Next up, cucumber. It's super hydrating and adds a cool, refreshing taste to the juice. We're using half a cucumber, peel on for extra fiber and nutrients. It blends beautifully with the sweetness of apple and carrot, making the juice feel extra light and crisp. Now let's add an apple, sweet, juicy, and full of flavor. It balances the earthy taste of beetroot and ties all the ingredients together. We're using 1 medium red apple with the peel on. It adds natural sweetness, so you don't need any sugar in this juice. Next, peel the beetroot and chop it too. Let's take a moment to appreciate this deep red beauty, the beetroot. Beetroot is one of the only vegetables that can turn your hands and chopping board in pink. Yep, that's because of a natural pigment called betalain, which also happens to be a powerful antioxidant. Beetroot was once used as a natural hair dye and even a lip stain in ancient times. Finally, I'm adding a small piece of ginger for a zesty kick. And here are all our fresh ingredients chopped and ready to juice. Now we'll add all the chopped ingredients into a blender. For some extra freshness, I'm also adding a pinch of dry mint. It really lifts the flavor. Pour in about half a cup of water to help everything blend smoothly. Now just blend it all into a smooth, colorful juice. Next, we'll strain the juice to remove the fiber and get a smooth, refreshing drink. Don't throw away the leftover pulp. We'll turn it into creamy hummus at the end of this video. Now add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a tangy boost. And here's an important tip. Avoid adding salt, sugar, or pepper. These can reduce the nutritional benefits of this raw juice. And there you go. Your power-packed 5-star Detox ABC juice is ready. It's an excellent post-workout drink, perfect after yoga, a brisk walk, or even a home workout. This juice helps restore energy and replenish nutrients. It's also kid-friendly and loved by adults alike. Now here's a mindful sipping tip. Don't gulp the whole glass down in one go. Instead, swish each sip in your mouth for about 5 seconds. This helps it mix with your saliva, which improves digestion and nutrient absorption. When we gulp too fast, the body misses out on many of the benefits. And now, let's take it a step further. We'll use the leftover juice pulp to make a delicious, nutritious hummus. Add the pulp and a few simple ingredients to a blender, blend it smooth, and your creamy hummus is ready. It's a smart way to reduce waste and add more fiber and flavor to your meals. Perfect as a dip, a spread, or even in wraps. And just like that, you've got 2 delicious, nourishing recipes from one simple process, a refreshing detox juice, and a creamy, zero-waste hummus. Healthy, quick, and planet-friendly. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments how they turned out for you.